Samsung's about to throw its big Galaxy Unpacked bash this summer, and yeah, you guessed it. New foldables are coming, the Z Fold and Z Flip are getting their annual glow-ups. But let's be real, one I'm really keeping an eye on, the Galaxy Watch 8. That's where things are getting interesting. I got to test the Watch 7 last year, and honestly, it left a pretty solid impression. Sleek, lightweight, smooth software, and the health features were actually useful, not just filler. They earn a spot on my best smartwatches list for a reason. So naturally, I'm curious. Can the Watch 8 actually outdo it? From what we're hearing so far, maybe. There are 5 rumored upgrades that could make this a real standout. First up, and yeah, this one might ruffle some feathers, the design. Looks like Samsung might be saying goodbye to the classic round watch face. Instead, we could be getting a square or cushion-style case, kinda like what they introduced on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Some folks are going to dig the fresh look, others might miss the traditional vibes. Personally, I think it's bold. It makes the Watch 8 stand out from the Pixel Watch and Apple Watch without trying to be either. But if you're a diehard fan of that rotating bezel, you know who you are, don't panic. Leaks say the Watch 8 Classic is making a return, clicky bezel and all. This version's also rocking that new cushion shape, plus a third side button, which definitely gives off a bit of that Ultra vibe. It's kind of like old school meets new school, and I'm here for it. Now, battery life has always been fine. I got about a day with the 40mm Watch 7, which wasn't terrible, but also didn't blow me away. The Watch 8, the word is both the 40mm and 44mm sizes are getting slightly bigger batteries. Not a massive jump, but with a more efficient processor running the show, that could mean real-world improvements. No, it's not going to hit ultra-level battery life, but hey, every extra hour counts when you're living life off the charger. And here's where it gets spicy, new health features. Samsung's testing out this thing called cardiovascular load. Basically, it keeps tabs on how hard your heart's working, even while you sleep, and gives you a heads up if things are getting a little too intense. It's officially confirmed for the Watch Ultra right now, but let's be honest, it would be weird if this didn't trickle down to the Watch 8 too. But the one that really caught my attention? The antioxidant index. Yeah, that's a thing now. Using the same sensors that are in the Ultra, Samsung wants your watch to measure carotenoid levels in your skin. You know, the stuff you get from fruits and veggies. It's like your wrist telling you, hey, maybe skip the fries today. Not confirmed for the Watch 8 yet, but it feels like a classic Samsung move. Tease it on the top-tier model, then roll it out wider. If it actually works, it could be a legit game changer for people trying to stay on top of their health. So that's the gist of what we know, or at least what's been floating around out there. I'm honestly pretty excited. The design change is bold, the health features sound super promising, and if they can squeeze out more battery life, that's a win across the board. But now I'm throwing it to you. How are we feeling about the new look? Are you here for the health features or still holding out hope for multi-day battery life? Hit the comments and let me know what's on your mind. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.